If securing placements as a guest author in certain publications is on your marketing plan's radar, it's for good reason. It's oftentimes one of the top performing ways that you can build visibility around yourself as an expert. Now, there are some key ways that you can secure these placements, and it goes far beyond just having a relationship with certain editors. It's really about the process. Let me walk you through the 5 steps that you need to incorporate every time you seek to secure this type of placement. First and foremost is your strategy. Figure out the things that you want to be known for, that you need to be known for, and then seek out publications that allow that strategy to unfold. Sometimes these are going to be high-profile publications, sometimes these are going to be niche, very targeted publications, and you'll want to use the requisite keyword strategy depending on which one you target. Second, once you've identified your strategy, figure out which publications allow that strategy to unfold. I would recommend using free tools, doing Google searches or looking on social media and asking your network, what are the top blogs they read? That's where you need to be visible. Then you're ready to review the policies and guidelines that each editor has placed once you've researched and identified a couple of key publications. This is very important because oftentimes they will have very stringent guidelines, and if you don't follow those, even if you're the best expert they ever had, they'll not even consider you. Then you're ready to write the pitch. Now, when you write the pitch, you want to make sure that it is short, succinct, to the point, and it talks about one very important thing. How will that editor's audience benefit from reading your piece of thought leadership? I'm going to show you an example of a pitch where you can see it's very short, and right away it gets to the point of how the audience will benefit. Finally, you're ready to submit. Now here, it's important to adhere to the guidelines, and if that submission is due Tuesday at noon, submit it Tuesday at 11:59. If the editor gets any indication that you won't do what you say you're going to do and they could potentially be without content, you won't even be considered and you'll be replaced. So I hope this helps you as you secure your own guest placements, and if you'd like to learn more, check out hingeuniversity.com/visibleexperts. Thank you.